everybody, Sawadee Tukon. Today I have something special for you. I'm at one of those lesser known temples. This temple is called Wat Chat Daeng and it is on the Green Lung in Wat Chat Daeng, Samut Prakan, which is right to the south of Bangkok. And this temple is known for two things. It is a place where many monks from across the world come to learn. Also, they are known for recycling plastic here. Not only do they recycle the plastic, they weave the plastic into robes for the monks. Not only is this a great place for spiritual enlightenment, but it's also a fantastic place to come and watch the sunset.
Tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them. But he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving there.
But according to the guys over there trying to fish, they say it's not a great place for fishing.
But you won't be staying friends. And you know.
This is a spirit house. Thais believe that every piece of land has a spirit that lives on the land, and if you erect a structure on that land, you are depriving the spirit of his home. Therefore, you need to have a spirit house to provide the spirit with a new house, to try and appease the spirit so it doesn't cause you any harm. As for the ladder, this particular spirit is a land spirit. He cannot fly. So therefore, you need a ladder so you can climb up to his little house.
You wasted all your time. You didn't need a light. Sweetie, you know that, think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refund.
The structure here behind me is called the Bodh, and it is the most important building on a temple complex. Without this structure, apparently a temple cannot be called a temple. And inside this Bodh, there are some beautiful murals. So it seems like it really is true that monks come here from all over the world to come and study. I just saw a foreigner monk in there, and it's not every day you see a foreigner, or shall I say an European monk. You really do not have to be religious to feel something when you come to a place like this, especially when the monks are doing their chanting the way they are right now.
All like what you created in your mind. It wasn't even nice. You wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life.
This is so typical of Thailand and specifically Bangkok. We have so many facets to this bustling city. Here I am at this temple on the riverside, and it's quiet here, it's peaceful. You can listen to the monks chanting, and then right across the river is a very, very busy port, as well as one of the major bridges crossing the Chao Phraya River. There are boats up and down in the river. Such a contrast. I think I found it. I heard that there is a tree from India that's planted right over here, and I think this is it. You have to be very careful at temples. You're not allowed to point at a couple of things, like the Buddha image, for instance. I don't know about this tree, so rather safe than sorry. Don't point. I've often heard foreigners say that they are scared of speaking to monks because they look so serious. So I think they're not supposed to smile, but I speak under correction. However, in my experience, I found many of the monks to be very friendly and helpful. They seem really happy when you show interest in the temples, their lives, Buddhism in general. So I always ask questions, and I tend to get a lot of information from the monks at the temples.
Holding on 'cause it just feels nice, but let's get back to real life.
In a matter of 2 years, this temple alone has fished out more than 40,000 kilograms of plastic bottles out of the Chao Phraya River, which they then recycled. It is crazy to think that they weave cloth from plastic. So the cloth that they weave here looks like fine cotton, but it's not. It's plastic. Many people think that monks only wear one piece of cloth around them, in other words, one robe. But that's not true. It's actually a set of 3 cloths. And these 3 cloths are known as the 3 jiwon. And they consist of the sabong, which is the sarong itself, as well as the angsa, which is the inner garment, and then is the jiwon, which is the actual robe. The prices vary from 1,500 Thai baht for one robe to 5,000 baht for one set, and can go up to as high as 20,000 for a hand-woven set. Of course, people pay these prices because they want to support eco-friendly businesses. And they don't stop with robes. They also produce t-shirts, polos, blankets, etc.
Real life, holding on 'cause it just feels nice, but let's get back to real